photography dealer ordered 60 Model X cameras to be sold for $250 each, which represents a 20% markup over the dealer's initial cost. That means cost plus 20% of the cost will be equal to $250 for one particular camera, which means we can say the cost is equal to 250 divided by 1.2, which is 250. 1250 divided by 6. Now, this is the cost of one camera, which represents a 20% of the cameras ordered. 6 were never sold. Now, let's take this information. There were 60 cameras, 6 were not sold. That means the sold cameras were 54. Alright, now if this is the cost, we can also quickly calculate here the profit per camera. That will be equal to 250 minus 1250 divided by 6, that is 1500 minus 1250 divided by 6, that means 250 divided by 6. That's the profit per camera. Now because the 54 cameras were sold at this price, so the total profit made on 54 cameras will be equal to 54 multiplied by 250 divided by 6, which gives us 9 multiplied by 250, that means $2250. This is the total profit made on 54 cameras sold. But 6 cameras were not sold, so what he did was he returned them to the manufacturer for the refund of 50% of the initial cost. Because he received a 50% of the refund, that means he also lost 50% of the cost. So loss on 6 cameras now can be calculated as 6 times half of the cost, and the cost was 1250 divided by 6. Now we can say it is same as 6 cancelled out, and this gives us $625. Now the question is net profit or loss. Now as we see that the total profit made is $2250 and the loss on the 6 cameras is $625. So what we see is 1400 plus 225, which is equal to, because from 2000 I subtracted 600, so that gives us 1400, and 250 minus 25 is 225, so that gives us $1625. The question is, we have to find out, this is percentage, what percentage profit of the total cost. Now, so let's also calculate the last step of this calculation. That means percentage profit would be equal to, he got $1625 profit. His total cost for the 60 cameras was $1250, because we can see the total cost will be equal to 1250 divided by 6 times 60, so 12500 times 100. That's all we need to calculate. Simplifying it, now we simplify this and get that the answer is 13%, and that is option D. Therefore D option becomes our correct answer. Thank you so much.